Hello US. Nowadays, it has become mandatory for every job seeker to acquire good typing skills. So, today in this video, I'm going to share some easy tips to improve typing speed. I'm sure with the help of this video, you can easily type 50 words per minute or more with just 3 hours practice. Let's get started. This is the standard keyboard image. In this keyboard, all the keys and fingers are colored differently. All the keys are colored with four different colors. In the below image, the fingers of two hands are also colored with four colors. It represents that the finger colors and the keys to be pressed with them are to be same. Here in this image, it is clearly mentioned that the distance between the monitor and our eyes must be 20 to 30 inches and the hand's position to our body should be 100 to 110 degrees. Our hands and legs must be parallel and there must be a backrest to the chair. The sitting position must be comfortable while typing on the computer. Home row on keyboard. This is very important point every typist should know. This home row is middle row of the keyboard. It has the letters A, S, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, colon or semicolon. After pressing any letter in the above row or below row in the keyboard, the fingers must be placed back in home row in their respective positions. Left hand little finger should be kept on A, ring finger on S, middle finger on D, pointing finger on F, and GH must be left in the middle. And with the right hand little finger on colon or semicolon, ring finger on L, middle finger on K, pointing finger on J. The spacebar can be pressed with either thumb. And to type the capital letters, we have to press the shift key with the little finger of either side and the respective key simultaneously. The keys to be pressed with left and right hand are clearly shown in this image. The position of each finger on the home row is clearly visible here. Now let's start the typing exercise. Here I am typing only one sentence which has all the 26 letters in alphabet. So by practicing this sentence in the said way, one can attain good typing speed and become familiar with the order of the keys on the keyboard. The sentence is the quick brown fox jumps over the lazy dog. But remember one thing, as well as the typing speed, accuracy is also very important. In the first step, take the first word of the above sentence, the, and type it in a Word document until you become familiar with the three keys. To type the first letter T in capital, you need to press the left side shift key with left hand little finger and the letter T with left hand point finger simultaneously. After that, press H and E letters. Practice the word repeatedly until you become familiar with the three keys on the keyboard. Now let's add the second word and practice both the words together. After typing the first word as practiced earlier, press the space bar with either thumb. Then type the second word with the respective keys as shown in the previous image. In the same way, now let's take the first three words in the above sentence. The quick brown. Follow the same method you have practiced for the first two words. And after you become familiar with these three words and their keys on the keyboard, take four words at a time and practice them together until you become familiar with the keys and until you are able to type the words without looking at the keyboard. Now let's take the first six words of the above sentence and start typing following the previous method you have practiced earlier. After that, you take the next word also and practice in the same method until you become familiar with the keys on the keyboard. In the same way, continue practicing by adding one by one word to the previous line. To give space between words, we can press the space bar with either thumb. Continue your practice until you become familiar with all the keys on the keyboard. We will come forward with some more tips and educational videos. Points to be remembered while practicing typing speed exercise. This sentence should be typed as many times as possible until your fingers become familiar with the keys on the keyboard. Never give up your practice even after you reach your target speed. Practice daily for some time to retain the typing speed and increase your accuracy. Practice makes everyone perfect. All the best. If you feel this video is helpful, please click on the like button, share, comment and subscribe our channel. It gives us motivation to come forward with many more educational videos. If you want to watch a video on any specific topic, please type in the comment box. Our next video will be with another sentence which helps to increase typing speed. To get regular updates about our channel videos, please click on the bell icon. Thank you for watching.